Listen to this guy give advice. Let's go.
Here are some phrases you must never use as a man. Number 1, I'm tired. Do you know how much it costs to replace the tires on a Lamborghini? No, because you do not have one. We cannot be tired until we own Lamborghini tires. You get it? Hustler mindset shit, man. Number 2, can I borrow? Did Christopher Columbus borrow America? No. A man only acquires or seizes, never borrows. Even in school, when I borrowed pens and pencils from my classmates, knowing they'd never get it back. By the end of the year, I had enough stationery to open up a W.H. Smith. That's when I knew I was destined to be a conqueror, never a borrower. And finally, yay, woohoo, yippee, wee, any of these childish sound effects. You are a man, not a toddler. When you speak, it should sound like a soliloquy by Alexander the Great. You get it? Not the Biff and Chip audiobook. Pattern the fuck up.
Alright? Is that good advice or a bad advice? Leave a comment.